Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and make ChatGPT write as a human. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. So there are actually some ways that has been experimented on ChatGPT and has quite worked. First is simply you're going to access a particular ChatGPT on your Chrome and go to search bar and type in ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, and this will access the official ChatGPT. You can go ahead and ask whatever you want, right? First is that you have to use a writing sample. So for example, so you're gonna write can be a blog article, can be a keynote presentation, or can be an essay for your particular topic, like key topics, right? And then afterwards you're gonna simply write it down the way you do, and then you're gonna ask ChatGPT to give you something similar. And the other way would be simply using a bio, and for that as well you're simply just gonna like write a desired output on the particular topic and add the topic name. You're simply gonna write the text afterwards from the perspective of the following person talking to. If it's for somebody else, you're gonna add the audience preference, the profession, the regional location, key experiences, personality traits. Then you're gonna ask ChatGPT to give you information about it. Other option for you is that simply describing the voice of it, and for that template I will simply gonna go ahead write a series of descriptors that describe the vocabulary, sentence structure, tone, and any other distinctive characteristic of the following text. So when you're asking, simply gonna go ahead, you can choose one of the ways, which also includes the key point is simply describing the way you want it. Can be a characteristic, can be the words that you want to use, and you can ask ChatGPT that way. So the output will be of a human like, of you like. There are some ways you can do the experiment. There are no exact way for you to do so you can go ahead and try that. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.